2020 Chevy Equinox. How to kill your transmission? Well, this car had no axle, so they got the car from the auction, they put the axle in, and instead of checking the fluid, they started driving the car, and it doesn't shift. Well, they asked me to change the fluid. I told them it's probably useless, but you know, so that's what came out, and about half a quarter of my chicken, so about 2.5 quarters, that what was in it, 3/4 maybe. Yes, it's got a whole bunch of metal shavings, and this is what I used to get it up to the level 6/4. Well, I don't know if it's gonna shift now or not, but I think there is a damage on the into the transmission. Temperature is 66. Well, like if you go through the gears, but there is some kind of a noise if you slightly I don't know, it's only on drive. Wow, no, it doesn't sound good. I think they killed it. I think it's gonna need a transmission. I mean, of course, it's gonna take a test drive to confirm it, but 99% transmission is killed by somebody not giving a damn about what they doing, or not knowing what they doing. Well, more likely just don't care. People don't care. They ask someone to put the axle in, he put the axle in, and that's it. Another guy start driving the car. Well, 2020, how many miles on that? 94,000 miles. Well, I don't know if it's good, was good before. Well, maybe it's actually gonna shift. I don't know. Have to test drive it, but that's a very big no-no to do with the car, especially if you got the car with the axle that's already been out. All right, thank you.